One day, some student was meeting for their group project.
Hi guys, nandito na ako. Okay everyone. Ano muna. Tapos okay, everyone gather. Pag-uusapan tayo about sa ating wait lang, tingnan ko muna. Everyone gather around and put your phone aside please. Dito is, meron tayong gagawin na project sa ating English, which is okay, everyone, gather around and please put your phone aside po. Let's discuss na lang yung about sa activity na kailangan kasi natin. Ang deadline is tomorrow na any suggestion.
But suddenly, the two students argue because they don't share the same opinion.
Leader, I suggest na PPT na lang yung gawin natin. Hindi, mas maganda yung video approach. Mas maganda yung PPT para mas maintindihan ng lahat. Maganda pa rin yung PPT para mas maintindihan ng lahat. Hindi, mas maganda yung video approach kasi mas engaging tapos maintindihan ng mga tao. Nakakita ka na ba ng rainbow? Oo naman, bakit? Pag nahawakan mong bawat dulo nun, tsaka tayo gagawa ng video presentation mo. Boring naman yung PPT mo. Mas boring na yung video mo. O talaga ba? Oo, ang tsaka pa. O ba't ka nandyan? Ba't isa na lang? Kaya sada na lang ang gagawin natin kasi mas madali. Mas madali nga yung video presentation eh. Tsaka naman. Hindi wag.
Then, their leader talked to them about what was happening. And then, he gave suggestion to just put together the opinions they had come up.
Everyone, pag-usapan natin to. Kalma. Bumalik kayo sa phone. Sige, ganito na lang. Why not, i-combine natin yung idea ni Miss Asalo at ni Miss Yesha. We can combine it naman eh. We can make a...
The group agreed